Nora Fatehi once said कि नेहा कक्कर के बिना बॉलीवुड इज़ nowhere. And that dialogue could very well be the most बकवास statement of this year or maybe even the decade. But अगर मैं ये कहूँ कि 90s में गोविंदा truly was the greatest and definitely deserved the title of hero number one, I think most of you would agree. Govinda's parents acted then back in the 40s and 50s. Not very successful, but did consistent work. He was the youngest of 6 children, and I think it is fair to say that bachpan se he knew that he wanted to have an artistic career. Guys, please hit the like button. Smash that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm. गोविंदा का करियर चालू हुआ साल 1986 में. Roles like Ilzam, Love 86 got him attention very early on. He acted in multi-starrers like Khud Garz, Jeete Hai Shaan Se, Gair Kanuni, all movies that would establish him as an action hero. Then came the phase where he started doing super hit and super popular films like Aankhein, Shola aur Shabnam, Hum. और अब गोविंदा का सफ़र टू बिकम हीरो नंबर वन हैड ट्रूली स्टार्टेड. राजा बाबू, कुली नंबर वन, साजन चले ससुराल, दीवाना मस्ताना, हीरो नंबर वन, बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ, हसीना मान जाएगी, all became super duper hits, and Govinda had perfectly transitioned from being an action hero to now one of the biggest comedians in Bollywood. 1992 और 1998 के बीच उन्होंने वो ऊंचाई छू ली जो शायद ही किसी एक्टर ने इंडिया में हासिल किया था. इनफैक्ट 1999 में गोविंदा को BBC के एक पोल में 10th ग्रेटेस्ट स्टार ऑफ स्टेज और स्क्रीन अनाउंस किया गया था, एंड ही ट्रूली डिजर्व्ड इट. Back in the day, he had the comic timing of Jim Carrey, and his acting and dancing skills were beyond that of his contemporaries. बॉलीवुड में नाम का डांस तो काफ़ी एक्टर्स ने किया था, बट गोविंदा पहले एक्टर थे जिन्होंने डांस को एक्चुअली एक आर्ट फॉर्म के ट्रूएस्ट सेंस में निभाया था. ऐसा नहीं है कि गोविंदा का हर एक फिल्म हिट या सुपर हिट हो रहा था, बट एवरी थर्ड या फोर्थ फिल्म वुड बी अ हिट. Govinda would do anywhere from 5 to 7 films per year, and almost every year उनका एक सुपर हिट फिल्म ज़रूर होता था, making him one of Bollywood's most bankable actors in the 90s. 5 to 7, that's a crazy number of films, वो भी हर साल. उनका टफ टाइम चालू हुआ साल 2001 और 2004 के बीच. He started getting fewer films each year. 2004 में गोविंदा ने डिसाइड किया कि वो पॉलिटिक्स में जाएंगे. दैट ईयर ही डिडंट हैव एनी रिलीजेस, बट पॉलिटिक्स और एंटरटेनमेंट दोनों को वो अपना 100% नहीं दे पा रहे थे. ही हैड टू चूज वन, एंड ही डिसाइडेड टू रिटायर फ्रॉम पॉलिटिक्स इन 2008. ही हैड अ फ्यू हिट्स इन दिस पीरियड लाइक पार्टनर विद सलमान खान एंड भागम भाग विद अक्षय कुमार. Govinda went from doing 6 films per year to doing 12 films in a span of 6 years. And वो भी सोलो लीड रोल्स नहीं थे. साल 2000 और 2007 के बीच पाँचों के पाँचों खान्स ने अपने आप को फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में अच्छे से एस्टैब्लिश कर लिया था. सलमान एंड स्पेशली अक्षय कुमार started doing roles that were more tailor made for Govinda. अजय देवगन भी 4th गियर में चले गए. To add to his problems, नए एक्टर्स आते गए लाइक ऋतिक, अभिषेक, शाहिद कपूर, अक्षय खन्ना, इरफान खान, इमरान हाशमी, जॉन अब्राहम, अरशद वर्सी, विवेक ओबेरॉय, एंड one of the best actors to come out in the last 20 years, रणबीर कपूर. They had already entered Bollywood और सब अच्छा काम कर रहे थे. Acting alone wasn't going to cut it. This new generation of actors also looked the part. इसीलिए actors like Salman, Akshay, Amir, Ajay, Shahrukh all started focusing on their physique and also on their dancing skills to stay in the competition. गोविंदा यहाँ अडैप्ट नहीं कर पाए. One of the most talented entertainers in Indian cinema was now only getting supporting roles and lead in B movies, जो कभी शायद सिल्वर स्क्रीन तक पहुँच भी नहीं पाए. जहाँ शाहरुख, सलमान, आमिर, अक्षय, जॉन, अजय देवगन एंड कपूर्स ने प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस खोल लिए, एक्टिंग और फिल्म मेकिंग को अपना पूरा बिजनेस बना लिया, वहाँ गोविंदा पीछे रह गए. इन माई ओपिनियन, गोविंदा गॉट टू सक्सेसफुल टू सून and didn't know where to go next. Couple that with a decision to enter politics, especially when he was at the peak of his career. This also made it difficult for him to see the competition that was headed his way. I am sure अगर वो consistently movies करते throughout the 2000s, experiment करते और शायद fail भी होते, but उनको पता होता what works for him and what doesn't. Last 10 सालों में उन्होंने शायद 1 dozen movies किए होंगे, but none really worth mentioning. As of today, उनको पहले की तरह काम नहीं मिलता. Opportunities कम हो गए. He deserves a lot more chances, but due to external factors and also maybe because of his own doing, he doesn't get them. और ये loss end of the day सिर्फ गोविंदा का नहीं है, but all of his fans and all audiences today. I feel as an actor he wasn't given the platform to evolve like others did. तो गोविंदा को कितने cinemarks मिलना चाहिए? गोविंदा was known for his action and dance, but later in his career he reinvented himself as a romantic and primarily a comic actor. He developed an unbeatable jodi with Karishma Kapoor and even director David Dhawan. His career has become a blueprint for some very successful actors today, namely Ranveer Singh and Varun Dhawan. And he in many ways pioneered breakdance in the Indian film industry, before which actors garden या खेत या पेड़ों के इर्द गिर्द भागते दौड़ते रहते थे या पीटी एक्सरसाइज करते थे गानों में. His comedic timing till today is unparalleled and no other actor has been able to replicate it. और ये सब को कंसिडर करते हुए I give Chi-Chi a solid 9 out of 10. Govinda did 5 to 7 movies per year. That was a crazy number. आजकल एक्टर्स एक साल में एक ही मूवी करते हैं. In fact, I think रणवीर सिंह ने तो लास्ट 6 सालों में सिर्फ 4 फिल्म की है. And he's Bollywood's current hero number 1. Thanks to social media, Bollywood actors and entertainers have more than one way to make money, which is a good thing. 90s kids like us didn't have OTT platforms like Netflix and Hotstar. We had Govinda's films, about half a dozen of them, and we used to watch those films throughout the year over and over again. Govinda as of today is 57 years old, and I don't know whether he'll get more films, but he definitely should because he deserves to. Bollywood has a history of wasting the talent of great actors, and Govinda को audience को देने के लिए अभी भी बहुत कुछ है. After all, one of the greatest actors of Indian cinema, Amitabh Bachchan, also made a comeback in his late 50s. At the end of the day, you can keep Govinda out of Bollywood, but you can't keep Bollywood out of Govinda or out of our hearts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Govinda is truly an underappreciated actor, and I truly hope he gets more movies. In the meantime, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. I'm sorry this video took a little while. I hope to be more consistent. And see you soon with another new actor or maybe a movie review. Take care. Shabbat khair. Thank you.